What's going on, true believers? Guys, it's Monday morning and the market is down yet again. Do you know why that is? China. You know what China did? China cut its interest rates. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking to yourself, hey, self, when you cut interest rates, doesn't that mean that the market goes up? Well, yeah. But China also, they banned short crypto videos. Guess what? It's illegal to make short videos about crypto. They will lock you up in Chinese prison where Chinese people are arrested for crypto crimes of buying crypto or selling crypto. Nobody sells crypto. You know that. I know that. That's why we all hodl, and that's why the markets never dip. This is not financial advice, but I am always right.
I can't wait till Friday. Everybody's getting sideways.
Okay, guys, CoinGecko has us trading at $2.25 trillion on a volume of $104 billion over the weekend. It was not the type of weekend that you want to see. It was one of those um, China weekends where China banned short-term videos so that nobody from China would have any successful crypto experience in China, because the Chinese people, they want control of that market. And while the young people do not care what's going on with the government in China, what they're doing right now is they're doing an immense crackdown. And that is going to lead to some problems in the future. But that's okay. If you're in China and you happen to be watching this video because you pirated it from America to China, then guess what? America's going to save you. So the market's sitting at 45,881 on Bitcoin, 37.95 on Ethereum. You can expect America to make that go up today. I'm not sure how far it's going to go up. This is Christmas. This is the holidays. Things are going to be happening. There's going to be movements. It's going to be one of those tight weeks. People are taking their profit. One of the big things that's happening right now is that everybody has to pay their taxes. So if you've taken money during the course of the year out, then you're going to have to take a little bit more out in order to pay your taxes. So you're not going to take as much as you did all year. And if you want to buy something for Christmas, or if you need to get a uh, residency in Portugal, wink, wink, then go do your thing. Take your money and do it. But this is the week where good things are supposed to happen. Now, if you want a year end wrap up, I can tell you this: during the course of the year, the market declined when China was awake and in charge. And when America was in charge, the market went up. When Europe was in charge, the market went up. So as this market rolls through, even in the Middle East, it went up. The sole reason for the decline in the market so far this year globally was the Asian markets, causing a lot of FUD, a lot of problems, but the rest of the world was there to save your butts in crypto. Moving on. All right, guys, we're going to break down this market real quickly today because today it's all about Saitama. Saitama is trading at 46.52. That's down about 6% to the previous day, but the previous day was a very nice run all the way up to 54, which is not the standard that you want for Saitama. Saitama usually trades in the 8s, 9s, all the way up and all the way up. But guess what? Here we are on the buildup because Saitamask is at 95%. Drum roll, please, if anybody has one. That means that things are going to start moving to the upside very, very, very quickly. And I know what you're asking yourself. You're asking yourself, self, where did all of this money come from? Because it seems like from the midday on Friday, the 17th, I hope I was right about that. Friday the 17th, there was nothing but a whole bunch of money, and it was all going up. Well, where'd it come from? It came from Shinja, because Shinja, which had been moving along quite well, made it all the way up to about 2,800. And around December 17, right about that time that Saitama made the move upwards, Shinja made its way downwards. And it was just a cascade of sell-off. Now, not all the money from that was coming out of Shinja was going back into Saitama, because some of it was going into Mongoose. Now, if you are sitting here right now and you're looking at this, there's 12,196 hodlers in Mongoose, and it's a $108 million market cap. You know what that means. I don't have to tell you what that means. There's still some play opportunity right here. Also, if you weren't paying attention, Cliff went on a cliff way up and then accumulated right here. But as you can see from this little accumulation pattern right here, and I don't have to pull out the sticks to show you, but I'm going to anyway, you are in an uptrend right now, which means that Cliff is probably going to have a good run. But here's the problem. The problem is it's only got 7,383 holders. That's also a problem because the market cap is 93 million, and 73 hodlers does not justify a market cap of 93 million, which means there's going to be a correction at some point. It's probably going to be to the downside. You can see here there was a lot of price action for a long period of time through the Bollinger Bands, and then here we are at this point right here, and you can see down here at the bottom that the price sentiment has just gone very dry. Now, a lot of that has to do with the Chinese market, but Cliff, the big red dog, it might just have another big up in store, which will take it maybe to probably not Mongoose level, but Mongoose is another play. Remember here that it's 12,000 holders, but remember, here is what happened, and these are the macro cap. These are the giant micro tokens that are happening right now. But if you come over here and, son of a bitch, oops. If you come over and you look at Shinja again, which is another one of these super low micro caps, it has 35,000 hodlers and a total market cap of $719 million. Guys, that means should, and I'm not saying that it will, but should Mongoose make a move similar to Shinja, that's 7x from here. Should Clifford make a move, that would be 8x from where it is right now. So there's a lot of opportunity for you to make some money, but I think a lot of this is going to be on hold for a day or two while we find out exactly what's going on with Saitama, because that moment is probably about to happen. Now, you might be looking at this right now, and you're looking at your Bollinger Band, and you're looking right here in the middle at the simple moving average, and you will see that we are on the downside of this number, which means that support could break, but it's not likely, because that 95% was 92% yesterday morning, which means that was about 3% in the course of an entire day. So that's a great number, and that's exactly what you want to see when you're looking for these kind of moves. So I think very, very shortly, and if you were on the AMA that was held, I believe it was Thursday, could have been Wednesday, Russ said specifically, they are not holding Saitama. When it is ready, when CERTIC approves it, Saitama will be immediately released. And the reason for that, for those of you that are sitting back thinking right now, well, I should hold something back from my people because my investors, I should wait for the market. They're not waiting for the market. They're making the market. And the reason that they're doing that is because this belongs to the people. If you are of the people, by the people, and for the people, then you do things for the people. You don't do them for yourself. You don't use it as a self-serving method, and you don't decide that you know better than the people. You let the people make that decision. So when you have something coming to market, you make sure that it goes to market right away. Moving on. All right, guys, it's Christmas. I don't want to get off on a rant here, but as a self-serving thing here, I'm going to leave down in the bottom of the description, I'm going to leave my wallet for one exact week. And this is not the wallet that I keep everything in. This is just a play wallet. So I'm going to leave a play wallet down below in the description, and I'm going to leave it like right at the top, and then I'm going to post it as a pin every single day. And I'm going to see who appreciated what I did for the course of this year the most. Whoever gives me the most crypto, not value, by the way, not value sentiment, whoever gives me the most crypto over the course of this week, that's the number one token. That's all my time. You guys have a good week, and Merry Christmas.
I'm looking for the good life, good life. Sitting on top of the world, I wanna be shining like diamonds and pearls. I want you to